Have a good day, boys. How are you all? Hope I'm fine and doing very awesome trading. Welcome to Traders Profit House. Look here, front of you guys. This is Crash 300. We're waiting for a spike signal. This is a spike area. Let's see if we got the signal. We're going to open a trade on this signal. Look here, guys. This is an arrow signal which is for spike. So this is the signal of sell. So now I'm going to open a trade on Crash 300. So front of you guys. The trade is just executed. The sell is opened. Let me change the properties so you guys can see the level of price of this trade. Look here, guys. The color is changed. Look here. It's now visible to you guys. The sell is open. Now we are waiting. Let me post this signal in my VIP group where guys have paid me for signal service. So let's move on Telegram and post this signal in my group. Look here, this is my VIP group. Let me post the signal Crash 300 sell. This is the signal we posted right now in our group. So let's move on chart and see how the market is moving according to signal. So look here, guys, we are waiting for a spike. Stop loss always 3 candles. So now we are waiting for a spike. Let's see if we get the spike or not. Look here, guys, this is the spike. So this is the power of the system, what we advertise and what we do. So also we made profit in our VIP group. We posted this signal in VIP. Look here, this is the sniper trade using the system. This is the main use of this indicator. So let's hold this trade for more 3 candles. If there is no more spikes, we're going to close this trade manually. The purpose to show you the power of this indicator after signal, and look here is the power of this indicator after arrow. We receive a spike within stop loss of 3 candles. Look here, the next candle, we are waiting for 3 candles. After 3 candles, we are going to close this trade manually. And now we are waiting for more spikes. Maybe we receive more spike within 3 candles, so we are waiting for more spikes. So right there we are holding this trade. Crash 300 front of you guys with my VIP guys. We're holding, look here, Crash 300. I posted the result in our VIP group. Let me show you the results, what we get from our indicator signal. Look here, guys, Crash 300, a sniper trade. Look here, what we made. This is